Gigi channel. Today I'm doing arts and crafts for my other channel, Lori's Life. I went to the Dollar Tree and got some things to make a bird bath with. So I got these little colored glass bead gems to glue on this. I don't know if I'm going to do a pattern or what, but I'll be right back. Hold on a minute. Okay, I'm making one now so that when my granddaughter comes over, she can make one for her mom. I got two. Oh, I love color. Beautiful color. Another one, another container. Maybe, I don't know, mix them up. Alright, oh, so the other color is light green, clear, dark blue, ooh, dark blue, and sort of medium turquoise blue. It is different than that. That is more green. Oh, that one, the green. Yeah, so there's about 1, 2, 3, 4 different colors in this bunch. Alright, here goes. I think I'll start at the rim. Right here. This is going to take a while. Like that. And you go all the way around. Yeah, this is going to take forever. But it'll be worth it. I've seen the finished product. So, alright, I will just show progress as I go. This is what it looks like so far. I think you need to really cover it all because then the birds won't know it's like a solid thing if you leave it clear. I kind of like the way it looks now, but I want the birds to be able to find it and know they can sit in it. So, alright, I'll keep going. So it seems I'm just about running out, and I still probably have a couple more layers. But luckily I had these left over from a fish tank. So it's mostly blue, but there it is. A couple of other colors. A couple red ones. Light green, and this sort of not transparent color. That one's pretty. Ooh, this one is sort of like a brushed look. Yeah, there's some pretty ones. Alright, I'm going to keep going. Progress. The only thing is lots of these, they call them cobwebs, or glue stick cobwebs or something. And a couple of these keep falling off. Ooh. So here we are, getting there. It's pretty. See that? Anyway, I'm getting there. Almost done. Trying to make little patterns here and there. So, almost finished. Back in a minute. And the last one for now. because it's going to have a stand, so one thing I noticed is there's a lot of sort of gaps, because this is like a sort of, not a good shape for circles and ovals, but overall it came out pretty good. So the video I saw, a base was glued using E6000, and I have some of that. And then they took like a little, one was a little ceramic frog right in the middle, and another one was a mushroom right in the middle. I might look for something, because I think that would really, make it much better. And I might use like, the Dollar Tree does sell like sand glass, the smooth and chunky, obscure shapes. I think I might use that as filler. Although I do like that, that little sort of flower going on. Alright, so there it is. I'll do a follow-up when I finish. Like and subscribe to the Gigi channel.